In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure your Twilio number. Whether you're setting up your Twilio to handle calls or to manage incoming messages, I'll guide you through each step to ensure everything is configured just right. You'll soon be able to leverage Twilio's powerful features to your advantage. The first thing you're going to want to do is log in to your Twilio console. Now, if you haven't already familiarized yourself with the interface, I recommend taking a few moments to explore. The Twilio console is your command center. It's where you manage and configure your numbers and services, so understanding its layout will be very beneficial. Once you're logged in, navigate to the phone numbers section. You'll find this by clicking through to Manage and then Active Numbers. Here lies the list of all your phone numbers currently in use. From this list, click on the specific phone number you intend to configure. This will open up a range of options that you can customize to meet your needs. Let's start with configuring your number for voice calls. When you are in the phone number settings, locate the section labeled Voice and Fax. Here, you need to direct your attention to the A Call Comes In option. You have several choices for handling your voice calls. First, if you choose a webhook, you'll need to enter an external HTTPS URL. Decide between using POST or GET for your call request method. If you're using a Twilio bin, function, studio flow, or proxy service instead, select the appropriate option. These features allow you to write simple instructions for how calls are processed. Additionally, if you want to take it a step further, you can specify a status callback URL. This URL will notify you when calls end or change status, helping you keep track of your communications efficiently. Now, let's move on to configuring for incoming SMS and MMS messages. In the same phone number settings pane, look for the section marked Messaging and focus on the A Message Comes In option. Similar to voice, you have the option to use a webhook, function, Twilio bin, or another service. Enter your chosen URL, or specify your resource, and make sure to save your configuration. Each of these options lets you determine how the messages are handled once they get to your number, providing you with flexibility in managing your messaging workflow. Ensure your configurations are saved to keep your settings active. Remember, the beauty of Twilio is in its flexibility and ease of use, letting you scale your solutions as your needs grow. And there you have it. You've learned how to configure your Twilio number for both voice calls and incoming messages. With these configurations, you're now better equipped to handle interactions in a more automated, efficient manner. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides and tips on how to make the most of your tech solutions. Thank you for watching, and happy configuring.